Do eco-friendly cleaners really work? Does using more cleaner make things cleaner? Is green cleaning expensive? Are they really non-toxic? In this video, we're breaking down 5 myths about natural cleaning. Need answers fast? Skip ahead using the chapters in the description below. A lot of people assume natural cleaning products don't work as well as chemical-based ones. But that's just not true. There are plenty of plant-based and mineral-based ingredients, enzymes, and natural surfactants that break down dirt, grease, and germs just as effectively without the toxic residues. So, how do they work? It all comes down to how these ingredients interact with messes. Some natural cleaners work by shifting pH levels. Acids like citric acid from citrus fruits or acetic acid and vinegar break down alkaline messes like soap scum, hard water stains, and mineral deposits. On the other hand, alkaline ingredients like washing soda cut through grease and stubborn grime. Then there are enzymatic cleaners which target organic messes like food spills, grease, and pet stains by breaking them down at the molecular level. These cleaners are particularly effective at eliminating odors since they destroy the source rather than just masking it. And of course, natural surfactants play a big role. These are the ingredients that help leave dirt and grease so they can be wiped away. Many are derived from plants like coconut or corn and work the same way as chemical surfactants without synthetic additives. Natural cleaners may need a little more time to work compared to traditional ones, sometimes, but that doesn't mean they are less effective. If a cleaner is plant-based, it means it contains ingredients like natural oils, citrus extracts, or essential oils. A great example is Castile soap, made from saponified vegetable oils. It's been used for centuries because of its natural lathering and grease-cutting properties. If a cleaner is mineral-based, it means it uses ingredients like baking soda, washing soda, borax, and sodium percarbonate, and others. These minerals provide gentle abrasion, deodorizing power, stain removal, making them perfect for scrubbing and tackling stubborn messes. The key to using natural cleaners effectively is to allow proper dwell time and use the right amount of product. If you apply baking soda paste on a greasy stovetop and give it a few minutes before wiping it away, it will cut through grime just as well as a chemical degreaser. If you soak hard water stains with vinegar and let it sit, these minerals deposits will dissolve, no harsh chemicals needed. And here's the truth, eco-friendly cleaners aren't weaker. When you use them the right way, they're just as powerful as chemical-based products, but without the harmful toxins. Some people think switching to eco-friendly cleaning means spending more money, but that's not necessarily true. While some store-bought natural cleaners might have a high upfront cost, they are often more concentrated, so you use less per cleaning, which means they last longer. Plus, buying in bulk from specialized bulk stores or online can save even more. When you look at the big picture, natural cleaning can actually be more cost-effective in the long run. Take Castile soap, for example. It is super concentrated, so you only need a small amount to create an effective cleaning solution. And it's super versatile. A single bottle can replace multiple products from dish soap to body wash. But here's where you really save money, making your own DIY cleaners. Basic ingredients like white vinegar, baking soda can clean almost everything in your home at a fraction of the cost. In New Zealand, a liter of white vinegar costs around $3, and baking soda from a bulk store is about $4.5 per kilogram. Since you usually only need a tablespoon or so of soda per cleaning task, it will go a long way. Let's compare. A DIY glass cleaner made with 50% white vinegar will cost you about $1.50 per liter, while a store-bought glass cleaner can be around $7. That means the homemade version is 4 or 5 times cheaper, plus it's free from synthetic fragrances and harsh chemicals. So the truth is, green cleaning isn't expensive. It's actually one of the most budget-friendly ways to keep your home clean. Just because something is natural doesn't always mean it's completely safe and non-toxic. A lot of people assume that if a cleaner is plant-based or made with simple household ingredients, it's harmless. But even natural ingredients need to be used and stored correctly. For example, white vinegar is fantastic for cleaning, but if someone, especially a child or a pet, drinks it undiluted, it can cause digestive issues like stomach pain, nausea, and vomiting. And if you breathe in too much vinegar vapor while cleaning in an enclosed space, it can lead to coughing or throat discomfort. These effects are usually mild and go away quickly, but it's still something to be aware of. So when you use vinegar for cleaning, it's crucial to use it in a well-ventilated area and avoid direct inhalation of the vapors. The same goes for baking soda. While safe to consume in small amounts and is commonly used in cooking and baking, ingesting large amounts can lead to stomach upset, muscle weakness, or other minor health issues, especially for the little ones. Even essential oils, which many people use in natural cleaning, can be toxic if ingested or used in high concentrations. So how do you keep things safe? First, you always label your homemade cleaners clearly. It's easy to forget what's in each bottle, and proper labeling helps prevent mix-ups. And second, store all net cleaning products, even natural ones, out of reach of kids and pets. I personally keep my baking soda, white vinegar, and essential oils and other cleaning products stored safely in a high cabinet above my fridge. Let's talk about a common cleaning mistake: thinking that using more product will get better results. We've all done it. A little extra dish soap for those greasy dishes, or an extra scoop of detergent for the laundry, or a few more sprays of cleaner on the countertop. But here's the truth: more doesn't always mean cleaner. In fact, it can actually do the opposite, leaving behind residue, wasting product, and making cleaning harder in the long run. Let's start with laundry detergent. It seems logical that using more detergent would make clothes cleaner, but the opposite is often true. Too much soap can leave behind residue on fabrics, making them feel stiff or sticky. It can also build up inside your washing machine, leading to mold, unpleasant odors, even machine damage over time. Using the right amount ensures that detergent fully rinses out, leaving clothes fresh and soft without build-up. The same goes for all-purpose cleaners. Spraying too much on your kitchen counters doesn't make them cleaner. It just leaves a sticky film that's harder to wipe off. That residue can actually attract more dust and grime, making surfaces dirtier faster. A couple of sprays with a good microfiber cloth are all you need for an effective streak-free clean. When it comes to dishwashing liquid, using too much creates excessive suds that take longer to rinse off, wasting both water and time. If you are hand washing a big batch of dishes, you'll notice how slippery they feel if you use too much soap. More bubbles don't mean better cleaning. Using the right amount makes rinsing easier and leaves dishes truly clean. Ever since the COVID-19 pandemic, many people have gone overboard with disinfectants. While disinfection is important in the right situations, excessive use can lead to skin irritation, respiratory issues, and even contribute to resistant bacteria. I used to think that using antibacterial soap constantly was a good idea, but my hands became dry, cracked, and irritated. The same thing happens with hand sanitizers. They strip away natural oils, leading to dryness and discomfort on your hands. Instead of over-disinfecting, focus on prevention. Take off your shoes at the door. Wash your hands when you get home. And clean regularly so you don't need to disinfect as often. Mopping is another area where more isn't better. Adding too much cleaner to your mop water can leave behind a sticky residue, making floors dull and more prone to attracting dust and grime. Instead, follow deletion instructions carefully. Most floors only need a small amount of cleaner to get the job done. So why isn't more better? Because cleaning products are designed to work at a certain concentration. Adding extra doesn't boost cleaning power. It just creates more residue, wastes product, and gives you more work in the end. Try using less than you think you need. You can always add more if necessary. In my videos, I always show exactly how much product to use for the best results so you can clean efficiently without overdoing it. Using the right amount makes cleaning easier, prevents build-up, and helps your surfaces stay cleaner for longer. When it comes to cleaning, less really is more. Just because a cleaning product is labeled eco-friendly or natural doesn't necessarily mean it's completely non-toxic or truly sustainable. This is where understanding greenwashing and learning how to read labels can make all the difference. Greenwashing is a marketing tactic where companies make their products seem more environmentally friendly than they actually are. You've probably seen it before, bottles with earthy tones, pictures of leaves, or words like green, natural, eco-friendly slapped on the label. But without real certifications or ingredient transparency, these claims often don't mean much. For example, a product might highlight one green feature while still containing harmful ingredients. Or worse, some brands don't even list their full ingredients, using terms like trade secret to avoid disclosure. If a company isn't upfront about what's inside, that's a red flag. So how you can tell if a product is actually non-toxic and sustainable? Look for third-party certifications. They indicate that a product has been independently verified for safety, transparency, and environmental impact. Check for full ingredient disclosure. A truly eco-conscious brand will list all ingredients, including fragrances. If a product keeps its formula a secret, it's worth questioning why. Beware of vague claims. The terms green, natural, non-toxic are not regulated in most countries, including New Zealand, meaning companies can use them without proof. If there is no certification or ingredient list to back it up, don't take it at face value. Don't be fooled by packaging. Just because a bottle is green or has a leaf on it doesn't mean the product inside is actually safe or sustainable. What's in the bottle matters more than how it looks. If you really want to avoid harmful chemicals, go beyond the marketing. Choose products with simple, recognizable ingredients and look for trusted third-party certifications. Cutting through the greenwashing takes a little extra effort, but in the long run, it's worth it for a truly non-toxic home. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you're interested in more natural cleaning tips, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Speaking of, if you want to take your natural cleaning game even further, check out my video on how to remove household odors naturally. It's packed with simple, non-toxic ways to keep your home smelling fresh. I'll link it on the screen in the description below.